Hi guys, it's Jordan back with another video, and today this is a very short video. I have a new refrigerator today. It's a gray one, and I'm just gonna put you in here. It has a drawer though, so okay. I have underwear on, so I can't back up as much. So you see, it has this little thingy that can move, but look guys, it goes like that. Alright, I'll show you soon. Ah! It's on you. See, it goes over here. It goes in there, like that. It's this one. It's this kind. This kind of refrigerator, guys. Okay. My brother just wants more pizza rolls.
Please don't take my pizza rolls.
I won't. I'm just getting myself pizza rolls. Oh, I'm sorry, Bobby. Okay, getting myself some pizza rolls, guys. These are what the Tortitos pizza rolls look.
Tortitos pizza rolls? Are you actually so?
Alright, guys.
No, I'm gonna eat.
Stay in there. If it stops, sorry, okay? If it stops when the refrigerator is closed, that means it was the end. I'll be back. What's up, guys?
Guys, if you can hear me, please don't Did you guys hear what I said?
Guys, it was green. Wait a minute. I'm putting you in the freezer, guys. Alright, we're gonna see how the freezer looks. Alright, guys, you need to see how this freezer looks. Alright. Come in here. Yeah, he got mixed up in our cousin's name.
Yeah.
Stay in there, guys.
Hope you guys heard that.
Yep. Okay. Bye, guys. This was a very short video. It was only 3 minutes and 25, 26, 27. You get the idea. 30 seconds. So, bye, guys.